Assalamualaikum viewers, how are you all? Today I'm going to make a landscape painting near a hut. This is the overview of my painting. So let's get started. First, as always, I'm going to sketch the view. Now viewers, I'm going to make a beautiful hut, so you should follow the steps. Here I am drawing a line to make a piece of land near a waterfall. You have to make some bushes at the corner. And now at the side of the top you have to draw mountains. Have to draw the sun between the mountains. Now I'm going to make trees. Now using a color pencil, I'm going to color the sky. You have to fill all the upper space with it. To give a realistic touch, I'm using brush pen. Now I'm going to color the land area using a green brush pen. In exactly the same direction, you have to apply the color. Now I'm going to color the mountains using brown color. Here you can see that I've used a burnt brush and I have bunched yellow and brown color in the tree. You have to use unbunched yellow color in the grass also. Now the remaining area we have to paint it with blue color for the sea. And have to add white color in it. Now as we are making the waterfall view, so all the steps you should follow exactly. It's done, my painting is completed. It is looking very beautiful as usual. If you like my today's video, do like and share and subscribe to my channel. Stay connected a lot.